All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's the Chapter 3 Wiki. We're going to work on this together. I want to show you how this works. Okay, mine is in a Word document, but you easily just convert this into a Google document for yourself. When you save it to your computer, and then open it in Google Drive. And when you open it in Google Drive, it'll open it as a Google Doc. So then you have the assignment. And it has the textbook here that you can download if you haven't downloaded it yet. And then there's the Wiki assignment. Right? What I like to do for this is I take my textbook and I take my document that I'm going to be working on, and then I'm going to put them side by side. In order to put them side by side, you take this one, drag it over here, and then it's going to say, okay, what do you want on the other side? And so you say, okay, I want this on the other side, and bam, you've got textbook on one side, you've got the worksheet on the other side. Okay. So you can scroll down to Chapter 3. That's the one we're going to be working on, right? Or you can go up here and like advance to a bunch of pages. So I just, hit a bunch of pages and see where I'm at. This is Chapter 2. Okay, I got a little ways yet. Save yourself time. And when we get to the part where it's the actual Chapter 3, there we go. So Chapter 3 is page 90, right? So that's, bam, you're good. So the pre-reading questions don't have wrong answers. So you can just write whatever comes to your mind. What do you think about when you do this? And then you get the list of vocabulary words. To do the list of vocabulary words, you just scroll through here, right? What is an atom? Ooh, great. I bet they're going to tell me what an atom is. And so you just kind of scroll through and look and say, oh, law of definite proportions. And that's what the law of definite proportions is. And so you can just write it down, right? Because it's right here. It's right here. You're good to go, right? I must have missed atom. But that's okay. I can come back to it later. And then there you go, right? So you can just type it right here that's next to it, right? Um, law of definite proportions. It says a chemical compound always contains the same bam, done, right? And then you just keep scrolling along like that. So that will help you out a lot. Notice that once you start typing, right, and then there's the pages get separated more. Okay, so keep going because you want to make sure you get to the end. Okay, that's important stuff. This might look familiar. If you have it on another document that you've saved and you want to copy and paste from that document, totally fine. Just do it, right? It's all good. So this is how I do my Wikis. Um, and hopefully this helps you do the Wiki. All right. If you have any problems, email me, let me know, and have a great day.